What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're working on the CB550 today again. So far we've done the following. We got the oil change done, we got new plugs in there, and we cleaned the main jet and the pilot jet in the cars, and the bike's running a lot better now. So now I want to start focusing on some of the cosmetic stuff. Like the chrome on here, it just has a lot of pitting. It doesn't really look good. It just looks really dirty. Obviously we washed it and it came out a lot better. But I want to start working on the chrome pieces just to get some motivation to keep working on this thing. Maybe we could get these fork tubes to possibly get some mirror finish to them. And the spokes and the rims are going to need a lot of work as well. So we'll do that, and then obviously we'll start working our way back on the bike. So let's start getting into it and see what we could do. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys some before shots of this fender before we start working on it. As you can see, it doesn't look all that great. I mean, obviously it's been sitting for a while and it's old, so we're gonna hope to clean this thing up. We'll go front to back on the fender, and then we'll get these two poles right there. So yeah, let's get right into it and start banging this out. All right, so here's a little look at it. We only spent not too long on it, and just those parts that we did, the two brackets and the fender going down on this side, it looks pretty darn good, I gotta say. Way better than it looked before, so sweet. You know what, I actually wanna see if we could get this fork tube polished up a little bit. I think that would look really good with it. So let me start doing that. All right, so that should be good enough. You can basically see my finger in there, so that looks good. It will look good with the chrome. Now I just got to bang out the other side really quick. All right, so we got this side basically buttoned up for the most part. You can see the difference pretty good between here and something like this. This was how it all was. It was like just that dingy color, so way better. We'll get the rims at some point to clean those up, and spoke needs it too. So overall, not looking pretty bad. Before, I think the spokes and the wheels may be the last thing, but I'll definitely clean them up a little bit before we kind of polish them. But what we'll do now is we will get this kind of suited up, this footrest thing, because that's in bad shape, and then we'll keep working back. right, so the difference between that and that is definitely pretty good. You can see I only did like this half, and that side it wasn't done yet, but wow, what a difference. Looks way better than it did before. So pretty souped about that. It's coming out pretty good. We're gonna get the other side going pretty good. It just needs a lot of work. So all right, so I'm gonna actually finish up the other side. I'm not gonna get it on camera just because you kind of get the gist of it, and we'll see how it comes out. So we finished this side up. It looks way better than it did before, so super happy with it. And I'll still spend a little bit more time on it later on to get it a little bit more cleaned up. This center part right here was definitely better for sure, but there's just some part that's scraped on the chrome, and fortunately you can't do anything about that. So, but either way, it looks really good. But I think that's gonna call it for the video, guys. Stay tuned because we're gonna keep getting this thing looking awesome. I'm sure you guys can't wait to see it at the end. It's gonna look great. Make sure you guys stay tuned, check it out. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next video.